Hey guys, here's our bird feeders, okay? There's that kind and that kind. Which one do you want, Am?
This kind.
That one? Okay, switch sides. You guys switch sides. Or that way, that's cool.
How do we do this?
Okay, you're gonna take it out and put it into your cage.
Okay. How do you take this food out? Ew. This is sticky.
It's okay.
Oh, wow. That isn't it. Now we shred it.
Okay, now shut your cage up. Yep, till it clicks like bubs. Are we closed?
Yep.
Are we closed? Okay, pick your chain up. Okay. Hello, Jackson. Is it on there good?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Let's go help sis.
Let me put it at the back of the yard.
Okay, do you want it in this tree, Am, or this tree?
I'm putting it over here. Up.
Well, we need to get a little bit closer to the trunk of the tree. Got it, girl. Let me hold the chair for you. You got it. Here, I'll pull this down for you. Clip it on this branch. You got it? Don't worry about the chair. I got the chair. Right here on this. Look.
I had to put it slippery.
On the bigger branch. On the bigger one, Sissy. On this one. Yeah, there we go. All right, we're going to let it go back up.